If your KitchenAid KDTM404KPS dishwasher starts flashing the clean light and beeping, it usually means the dishwasher detected an interruption or fault during the previous cycle. This alert often appears when the cycle fails to complete properly due to heating issues, temporary control panel errors, or power interruptions. When this happens, the dishwasher may lock its controls and repeatedly signal the problem until the system is reset. Fortunately, clearing the error and restoring normal operation typically requires only a quick reset and a few basic checks. Try these. Step 1. Press the cancel drain button to stop the current program and allow the dishwasher to empty any remaining water. Step 2. Turn off the dishwasher and switch off power at the circuit breaker for about 1 minute. Step 3. Restore power and close the dishwasher door securely to reinitialize the control panel. Step 4. Run a short rinse or normal cycle to check if the dishwasher operates normally. Step 5. If the warning returns, inspect the heating element and water supply to ensure the system can complete a full cycle.